Hello guys, review TECNO Camon 50, this version 8GB memory and 256GB storage, open box and look complectation. In complectation, of course, we have device, black color, protected back cover, documentary, and complectation, adapter for charging with quick charge, and Type-C cable. Okay, good complectation. Now turn on device. On this side we have smart key. The smart key, it's AI assistance call. On this side power button, wall buttons, upside speaker, second speaker on the downside, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, Type-C port. Okay. Display we have 6.78-inch Full HD Plus resolution, AMOLED display 144 Hz. Open settings. We have iOS version 16.1.0, Android 16, and this on this system we have liquid glass design. Device looks like iOS 26, but cheaper. Okay, close, open Geekbench 6. We have CPU MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate and GPU Mali G57. Look results, single core score, multi-core score results, and GPU test results. Look Antutu benchmark. Antutu benchmark results, close this. And PUBG Mobile works on the high graphic level and works very good. Now look camera. We have AI cam 20x zoom. Video we can record 2K or Full HD 60 frame rate. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.